Hi guys, my name is Shakti and today's video is going to be about Cardano news about Mari fork update. So yesterday Charles, the founder of Cardano and Ohio project, that is the one that controls Cardano, retweeted this from his, this is another account that they have on Twitter. So this Twitter say, we are on. We can today confirm that the Mari #Cardano protocol update is now fully confirmed for March 1st. So for March 1st, that's why many people is going like crazy investing money in Cardano, because on March 1st they're going to launch the update for his Mari project. And I'm going to read you guys what does it mean. What is Mari? The Cardano blockchain is poised to enter in a phase of significant change at the end of February. For the first time in our protocol's history, users will be able to define their own custom tokens through the multi-asset ledger, adding a new layer of functionality and new utility to the Cardano blockchain. So what does this mean? That is going to be an update where we be able to choose our own tokens. That is the part that I'm going to get in right now. This will be made possible through the Mari hard fork 127, one of the most important events to our Cardano blockchain since the rollout of Shelley in July 2020. As a part of the wider rollout of Gaugen, Mari represents a step change for Cardano, delivering long-awaited Cardano competence to our community. Okay, so this is pretty much what the news want to tell us, and I'm going to read a little more of information about what is the Murgo, what is coming, what is this going to help for us to Cardano. So I'm going to read an overview that I get into it and I research. So Emurgo, a global blockchain technology company, provided a custom-built solution to solve the most complex problems of the enterprise and governments, and a founding entity of the Cardano protocol. Is proud to work with our Cardano ecosystem partners and welcoming the Mari hard fork as a step towards a smart contract with Gaugen. This meaning that we're going to, like I say in my past videos when I read the PowerPoints, that we're going to set free and we be able to don't depend on institutions, governments, and we like Cardano will proposing to do a smart contracts. And now with this update, we will be able to choose which tokens we want to use. So Maria hard fork is scheduled to transition the Cardano blockchain protocol from the Shelley decentralization era closer to the Gaugen smart contract era. Was successfully deployed on February 3rd, 2021 as a testnet. The much-awaited update brings native assets to the Cardano test network and allows developers the ability to create custom tokens and migrate existing projects to Cardano. So like I say, we will be able to use our own tokens, customize. So this is a very significant step for Cardano and for all of us that we belong to the community. If you haven't belonged to the community, this is a really good point for getting into it, because when this launch, many other companies is going to get in this project that they're having. So what makes Cardano basis tokens different? User-defined tokens in Cardano are nothing to the Cardano protocol. Native tokens are not treated any differently to ADA by the Cardano network. Project tokens launched on Cardano do not need smart contracts built on top of its blockchain to be used. The logic behind the way these are created and exchanged is already part of the blockchains. This design reduce the possibility of human error. So like I say, this is pretty much explaining like one of the reasons why we should jump in and stop using governments, institutions for do our contracts. And this is a really good idea because the power is not going to be just for one person. It will be like belongs to many persons, and also the blockchains that doesn't belong to anyone really. And yeah, we will be able also to do our own tokens for, you know, as a password, client number, things like this. What does this mean for Cardano? Right now, the DeFi and DA app ecosystem are behind, held back by high transaction fees and unsecured smart contract. As we discussed, native tokens address the second problem by having their core logic be part of the ledger itself. Cardano was designed to be of low cost, and that will not change with tokens launched on the network. ADA will be fully tradable with native tokens from the start, unlocking the power and huge interest worldwide in DeFi applications. In Cardano, transactions between native tokens do not generate high fees, making DeFi application even more affordable. As we know, we pay a lot of high fees on all these transactions and contracts that we do, and Cardano is not really charging a high fee, and they really want to do something important in this. And also I want to add this phrase: this will be the first step onboarding more exciting and useful projects, companies and enterprise helping to develop a flourishing Cardano ecosystem with a centralized service and solution. Okay, the centralized, that word is really important in here because again, the power just won't belong to one person anymore. So this is the news for today, and remember the launch March 1st. So get on board before it hits $2, $3. We're still on time. And well, that's it for the video. I hope you like and was useful for you guys to know this exciting news for Cardano and the updates that they're making. They're really working very hard for make this all like work and be a new step for society. Okay, thank you. See you in my next video.